I will be teaching 4th grade, and part of my motivation is bringing actual large pizzas into the classroom so they have something to snack on while they learn. So I'm just going to pretend since I don't have large pizzas. Alright, good afternoon 4th grade. Today we are going to be learning a little bit more about fractions. Now yesterday we learned what denominator and numerator means. We're going to go a little bit deeper into that. Now I know you guys see that I have pizza, which is making you a little excited, but I cut this pizza into 6 even pieces. And I am going to take away 2 pieces of this piece of pizza. I'm going to put them over here. Don't even acknowledge them. We're just going to focus right here for now. I want you guys to tell me, what is the fraction of pieces of pizza missing? Can anyone answer that? Right, we don't know that because we haven't learned that yet, and that's what we're going to do today. Now, to find the fraction of pieces of pizza missing, we first need to figure out how many pieces we started with. Now, yesterday we learned the definition of denominator and numerator. We're going to start with the denominator. Remember, denominator started down here. Now, that means the denominator means the total number of parts in a whole. So, how many pieces of pizzas make up this whole large pizza? How many pieces do I have here all together with the 2 inside, including? 6. Correct. Okay. Alright, now, since we have that, we need a numerator. Now, the numerator means the number of parts taken away from the whole. So how many pieces or parts did I take away from the whole pizza? 2, right. So, my denominator is 6, my numerator is 2, and the fraction of the pizza missing is 2/6. I am missing 2/6 of the pizza. So, let's try this again. I'll put these 2 pieces of pizza back, and let me take away 4 pieces. Put them over here. Now, what is our denominator? 6, and why is that our denominator? Right, because that's how many we started with. And what is our numerator? 4, and why is that? Because that's how many pieces we've taken away from the pizza. Correct. Now, we don't always have to think about pizza. You could think of pie. How many pieces of pie have I taken? You could think of it just as a circle and thought, how many pieces of this circle have I taken away? Or a square, anything to help you. Drawing pictures is never a bad thing. If you have to draw pictures, I encourage you to draw pictures. Alright, now I'm going to have you go back to your desks, and I will hand you a piece of pizza, and you can eat it while we watch this video. I want you to be done or close to done by the time this video is over, and if you're not done, just put it to the side and we can finish it later, but make sure you wash your hands as soon as we're done because we are going to be working with some pieces of pie or pizza ourselves, okay? So let me get this video started. Now everybody pay attention, please. Can anyone tell me what you think he's doing? There were 6 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. So to make this pizza fair for all of them, what do you think he's going to do? I bet he divides it so everybody can get the same amount. Let's see what he does. Well, he's going to divide it into 6 pieces. There were 6 of them. I didn't see the 6th one. It's 1/6 of the pizza missing. It's 2/6. Then I would just finish the video so they can finish eating their pizza, but I don't want to make this any longer because it's like 7 minutes long, but you can watch the rest of it. It's on the lesson plan, but I'll keep going. So after watching the video, I'd have them wash their hands, and then I am going to pass out these little pieces of our pizza. I have 6 pieces here. I color coded them so everyone does not get confused. The 6 is a blue, 5 pieces is red or maroon, whichever you prefer. 4 pieces is orange. 3 is green, excuse me. And 2 is yellow. Alright, I'm going to hand out those to everybody. And I am going to put a fraction on the board. And I want you guys, you'll also get this piece of paper. And this, the black part, means there's nothing there. So there's nothing on this piece of pizza. Say I have this on here. And then this, so I have 2 pieces of pizza right now. If I take this away, there is 1 piece of pizza missing. The black means something is missing. So, just so I can see that you guys kind of understand what's going on, I'm going to write a fraction on my board, and I want you all to show me what that looks like using the pieces of pizza that I gave you. Let's see here. One third. The whole, or the denominator, is 3. The parts missing or the numerator is 1. Alright, let me go around and make sure. It seems like everyone has their pieces of paper looking like this, which is good. That's correct. Alright, I am going to give you another one. This one, I'm going to walk around and show certain people this fraction, and then I'm going to show your partner sharing your table a different fraction, and when you're finished showing me what that looks like, I want you to raise your hand, and I will come around, and if you have it correct, I will give you your worksheet that you need to finish today by the end of this hour. If you have it incorrect, we'll talk about it, or if you have any questions, we can talk about it if you're not quite getting it, whatever you'd like. So for A, B. This is what I would go around giving them. Okay. Now I will hand out the worksheet. So this is the worksheet. I have it attached. The directions read: for part A, write the fraction of pieces of pizza that are missing. The shaded regions show that there is no pieces in that area, just like we discussed with this. For part B, shade in the area to show the pieces missing from the pizza by the fraction given to you. Now, if you have any questions, go ahead and raise your hand and I will come around and talk to you. For my adaptation for special needs, I have a cheat sheet, and it basically has all the fractions and what they look like on a pie or a pizza. I know it's like basically giving them the answers, but I don't think they'll know that. I mean, if they need this, they obviously need more help learning the fractions, so this would help them to get a feel of what they look like and what they are. And that is my lesson plan.